was all a dream once. Reality now. Vybz Kartel.
What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel Naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. Let's jump into this week's hot topics. Good morning again, Angel Army. What's popping? What's good? We are going to continue right ahead in this week's episode 17 of DSession with another set of hot topics. We are going to talk about Popcaan first. Now, people, I was on Instagram this morning in my bed, cozy, minding my own business. Boom! Popcaan post on him Instagram that he received his plaques finally from the Billboard for his #2 debut on the Billboard reggae charts. Congratulations to you, Popcaan, and the Unruly Camp, and by extension OVO, of course. It's a good look for everybody involved. I'm really proud of what you've accomplished. If you guys haven't seen it on his page already, I'm sure all the T pages, all of the dancehall news page, them already been posting this, so you will definitely have a chance to see it for yourself. It's something really good to look at, especially the video, because him in the video and him play the song we him did right years ago. All of this coming like it's a dream, and him big up Vybz Kartel, which I think was really profound. Even though I know people always get very comical when him tend for big up Vybz Kartel because it seemed forced, like, why are you doing this? But I appreciate the fact that he never forgets where he's coming from, and he never forgets the fact that even though things never turn out the way how maybe the both of them planned, he still respects and values what Vybz Kartel did for him at the start of his career, because I him really put him on the map. So I appreciate it every single time him take the time out to say, yo, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Gaza, because they said the things started. They unruly now, but at Gaza the things start. So big up to you, Popcaan, for this accomplishment. More to come. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys, what you think about this, what you think about Popcaan getting his plaque finally from the Billboard. We already know him mixtape the chart #2 already, but for actually have it physically now, for put up in him studio, like, validation, people, are them things that me I talk about. I get what I say. And of course, the dancehall industry was not late to celebrating alongside Popcaan. We have Spice in the comment section saying, right, B word, yeah, that's it, them bro, no flicker, you know, clapping emojis, hearts. King Beanie also commented, which is Beanie Man, well deserved. And I saw Massacre left a comment and Governor, and a whole heap of the Unruly fan base just celebration. It's one big party on Popcaan Instagram right now, people, so go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think down below. Moving right along to our second hot topic for this video, we are going to be looking at Shaggy's new song. Now, last night, people, I was putting together the video that would have been posted already, the Retical TG. Yeah, check it out if you never yet see it. What heap of excitement, dancehall music, and light up the place right now. But separate and apart from that, I saw that Shaggy, Neyo, and Ding Dong dropped their Christmas song, or the song of Shaggy Christmas album, which, can I just take a minute to say how much I appreciate the fact that Shaggy's putting together a Christmas album as a reggae / dancehall artist. Honestly, it is so good to see when I see me the feel good come here and say finally. I'm not just R&B soul singer, what them call it, rock and roll artists can do them something here. Like, my long for the day when I see a hip hop artist or a dancehall artist or a reggae artist put out a Christmas album. And if somebody do it in the past, remind me. I'm not, like, I don't know everything, but if it has happened before, like I said, let me know in the comment section down below. But in that, I'm recently, like, I'm not saying nobody are trying to put out music with theme based. You get what I say? So this was really special to see Shaggy do. I'm excited to listen to the entire album. Also, let me know if you want me to come back and do a review of the album. I will definitely come back and do that. But I want to see where Shaggy really did that go on with. We'll watch a little bit of it. We're going to watch a little bit. The song is called Holiday in Jamaica, featuring Neyo and Ding Dong. It's an holiday. I like that. I already get a Ding Dong vibe from this. I love love the fact that them paint the tree trunk. Is there anywhere else in the world that does that? I would if things when I forgot to talk to my boy in the comment section. Anywhere else in the world do that? Where when them make the place look pretty, them paint the tree trunk. Jamaica paint tree trunk, light post, and they're always white like the base. Just look, comment. Where them film this? I know Jamaica, but where? Hey, so ding dong where you're at there. That was a uniform scene, you know. Neyo Havana art, Shaggy Havana art, ding dong should have Havana art too. Right here, so. For Christmas, tell me where you need. Hey. Right here, so man saying should have Havana art. Keep it uniform, you know.
Oh my God!
You know, say a long time me I want to be Jamaican though. I like me tell. Comment down below. A long time me I try to be Jamaican.
I am the one, the way your son don't need it.
Tell me what you want for Christmas. Hey. Me have a wish list. I make a sit down on my lap and listen to wish list.
Stop it. Get some help.
In Jamaica. I like this. Alright. I love how them dropped the beat a while ago. I like how them drop the beat and it just under the Christmas tree. Hey. Yeah. It can't always depend on ding dong for just, I don't know if to describe it, but him give it. Alright, I end up watching the whole of the song, but you can go in my description box and click the link to the song and go check it out for yourself so that you don't hear my talking in the background and my pausing and all these things. But yeah, angels, we have come to the end of the video. If you are here at this part of the video, please comment dancehall nice, because of this big excitement of going from music to Billboard recognition, to people just feel happy in themselves right now because they might achieve, they might see the results of them work, and that is what it's all about. And I love the fact that there's a celebration of the journey, because it's not about the destination, guys, it is about the journey. So give my like button some love, show my like button some love if you liked what we talked about here today, and also remember to follow me on social media. Links are in the description bar down below, and subscribe to the channel if it's the first you are seeing me, or if it's not the first, make today the day that you subscribe. Okay, if you are a fan of dancehall, this is where you definitely need to be. And until next time, angels, walk good. All you beautiful people out there in the world, bye, angels.
Through the years, we'll all be together, if the fate allows. Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Them things I talk about.
Every project you got, yeah, grab me next.
Yes, I want the world pilot.
Word pilot.
We have to say word pilot. That's going to be a bumper pilot.
Was all a dream once. Reality now. Big up Vybz Kartel. OVO sound and rolling.
Hear that? Like, shit. Oh.